my channel. And no, I know my hair looks greasy, but it's actually not. It's just because my camera it has bad lighting and only in the light it has really good lighting. So I just took a shower, but it's all turned out like my hair looks greasy, and I just woke up. So that's like all messy. And yeah, that's hair. Okay, because I'm like slime, so I'm stand up. Okay, so this is using body wash, dishsoap, and shampoo. I use the one where has kangaroo in it, and then I use that Swager one, not manual one, and I use this random picture of sunlight, and yeah, but it's already in there, and like I mixed it up already, but like, let me tell you how it looks, how it turned out. Okay, it turned out in this really good color. If you guys actually have those kind of videos, move on, it turned out in like in this color. Again, like you will not be able to see it because, but actually, it's a really nice blue color. And don't know my sister's background. Go subscribe to my sister's channel. Well, she doesn't have a channel. She like just like uses it to comment and stuff. Like she does have it. Just go subscribe to her. But like she won't post videos or anything. I'm not saying you have to, but like I'm just telling you guys. Oh god, that doesn't even stick to your head, and you guys might want to put it in the freezer. I accidentally put mine in the freezer, and like I slept. I got too lazy to put it away to go grab it, and I was nah, can't wait till morning. And it was really frozen. It was like the iceberg slime. I will be making some iceberg slime thing. You can touch it and won't even stick. Put it in the freezer. Like when you mix all the ingredients together, but you need some mixing, so they would put some mixes and like that's, oh my god. Like when you like try to grab it, it like barely stick to your hand. You can touch your slime. Yeah. Like, let's look at this poopiness, guys. Oh god, I got a hair in my slime. Yeah, those are new guys we've been using. And like soon as you mix them all together, like I'll show you what I mean. I'm gonna go add all the ingredients. It's good, nice. I'll show you the ingredients I need. Now, this show is in the thing, so I'm not gonna use that. Okay, so like I did put the dish soap in there and the body wash. You guys seen the dish? You guys did not see the dish soap is because you guys only go through, but you guys definitely need one that I just grabbed. And like, do you guys see that? I almost dropped my glue. like you might, and it might go sticky again. And you guys do want that. You guys can like if it goes into only touching, like right after you add the greens again, that means you guys can only grab it. Apparently, it's this thick, so I'm gonna put it in the freezer. Um, 5 minutes, baby. Okay, so on that, and yeah. Little message, I put it in the freezer. 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 Sorry guys, that thing is glitching, and so yeah, but it's in the freezer. Yeah, but it's in the freezer. So, yeah, been in there for like 5 minutes or so, and somewhere, and yeah, I'll get back to when I'm done. I will end this video, but there will be part 2, so yeah guys, go watch it.